Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another update to our Trade for Tandy's wheel strategy progress. We made history. So, we officially exceeded $10,000 in profit since we started the wheel strategy. Now, when I first started the strategy, I have no idea what a wheel is. I have no idea how wheel works. I never made a single trade in wheel. Well, that was back then, and that was my very first wheel, and that was my very first put. And looking back at it right now, with $10,000 in profit after we consistently profited from selling options this whole time, I can say that I am kind of an expert on that right now. So, for those of you who want to follow what I do and learn about my strategy, I laid it out all for free in this article. You can find it in the description below. And this is an article where any beginner can learn about my strategy, and I give you detailed explanation on what to do and how you can do what I do and make good money from selling options. Anyway, so since we last met, a couple of our options have expired worthless, and these are all wins for us. So that's a nice $373 in profit right there. And unfortunately, we got assigned on plug. So I was not lucky at all. I sort of bought into the hype of the EV stock, and plug, I was looking at it, it was like 34-ish. So it was somewhere here. I was like, you know what? This is making its way back up to the moving average. It seems to be breaking up. We're no longer on the downtrend. But I was completely wrong, and plug pretty much moved on to drop every single day for the past few days. So right now it went as low as 24 bucks. So we have a 9-day expiration $30 put on plug that we sold when plug was trading at 34. I was like, this is not going to drop 4 bucks, right? But boy, was I wrong, and here I am paying for it. But I got the $45 in premium to offset my costs. So right now we have 100 shares of plug. It's not showing up in my account right now because of the it's 6 o'clock on a Friday. You have to give it a few minutes for the option to exercise. So once that's exercised, we will own 100 shares of plug at $30 strike price. So in that position, we're down about $277 on that. So not so good feeling, but I think we can turn around and sell calls on it next week if plug decides to go up. So looking at this chart, I'm like, yeah, there might be more room to drop, but I feel like this is kind of bullish in Biden's administration. So I'll be holding on to it, and I'll start selling calls for it when it's profitable. So I will be wheeling plug until it's profitable. That's the plan. So going into next week, I sold a couple of more positions on that. Now remember, we got assigned Fastly at I think $75. So right now, Fastly, it's doing kind of well. It's trading at around 70 bucks. So the premium is pretty good. I have an 8-day expiration trade on it for a $77 call that I sold. So if Fastly do go to 77 or more, it will get called away. I get the $200 extra profit plus the 161 plus all the premiums that I earned before. So that's the best case scenario, is Fastly goes above 77 next week. But for now, I think this position is doing really well. I am currently in like $100 plus profit on this. I might close it early too, so who knows? We'll see. Now I have 2 positions on PLTR. So I sold a really let's just say that I sold it at 24.9, a $22 put, 8-day expiration. So it's actually 22.5 put. So I just realized that this is actually in the money right now, which is not that good for us, but it's Palantir. So this is like a meme stock that sort of go up all the time or go down. Like it's hovering around this support right now. So I really want to hold it for a little bit. If I do get assigned for it, I don't mind getting assigned at 22.5, and I'll just turn around and sell calls on it to wield it. So that's like not bad, only like $64 in premium, but I'm okay with that. And now moving on to our AMD position. Remember, we got assigned AMD at $85 strike price. So now we are in the position to wheel AMD. So that's why precisely I sold the call today at our strike price where we got assigned for 10-day expiration, and I pocketed $208 in premium. So when AMD was trading at 82.15. So the best case scenario would be AMD ended up trading at 84.99 on the day of expiration. I get to pocket this and I won't get assigned. I don't get my positions called away. So this is the best case scenario. But if it goes over, I'm fine with that as well. So just in case I have a hedge position, which is a $76.5 put on the same expiration range when it was trading at 81.9. So this pocketed me $115. Those are good and great premiums, I guess. So we're just gonna play this. So these are all like kind of a position that we want to wheel with. These are the stocks that I'm comfortable with, and I want to continue doing that. So that's my continued strategy. We're just gonna do the same. We've been doing the same thing for a long time, and if you add this up, this is like $548 in premium. Not bad. So, and occasionally we'll throw in some GME, like meme stuff like that, like with crazy strike price. But the premium is amazing on these things. But I don't suggest you do it. It's kind of a high risk. So yeah, that is it for this update. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to follow my progress weekly, and read this article. It will make you a better trader. And we always have we're always here to help you. We have a Discord link, so just go there and you can come in there and talk to me, have any questions. Well, on here or Twitter, follow me, like I'll answer anything you have. And of course, this spreadsheet is completely free and open. The link is also in the description. You can go to this link and you'll see my trades live. So as I enter new trades, you'll be able to see it. So if you want to follow me, do the same thing I do, that's the other way of doing it. So as you can see, my profit loss ratio is quite high if you ask me. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.